Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frame for Nexo. Now, as always, our key level criteria, what we look for, is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and jump right in from the chart on what we can see right now. As we can see, there's not a lot of data, but we're going to plot accordingly. Now, on the open of this coin, we can see a rejection point right off the bat. So we're going to plot that on the chart. What we also see is price came down and established support, bouncing off this level. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. Now, what do we see on the weekly here? Well, it's pretty obvious to see our key levels. There isn't a whole lot, but this is what we have to work with. So, this is what we have. Price came down. We see it reacting to this key level here, forming the key support level. Price came back up, and we see a reaction from here, which is our key resistance level. So there isn't a whole lot, but as price comes back up, we're going to expect to see another reaction at this level, since we already seen two drastic reactions from this level, which makes it very key. Now, this is really all we have on the chart, so that's all our key levels. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.